Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished industry experts, and esteemed partners, I am honored to present Hydrotechnic PVT Ltd, a leading name in the manufacturing of hydraulic presses, renowned for our commitment to innovation, precision, and excellence. Today, I am delighted to shed light on one of our specialized offerings, the hydraulic tube swagging machine. Hydrotechnic PVT Ltd stands as a paragon of ingenuity in the realm of hydraulic press manufacturing. Our extensive portfolio encompasses a wide array of hydraulic presses tailored to meet the diverse needs of industries worldwide. However, today, I am eager to showcase our expertise in the realm of tube swagging machines, a testament to our dedication to providing cutting-edge solutions for industrial applications. Our hydraulic tube swagging machines are designed with meticulous attention to detail, aiming to efficiently reduce the diameter of pipes and rods for a myriad of applications. At Hydrotechnic, we understand the critical role that precision plays in various industries, and our swagging machines are crafted to meet the highest standards of accuracy. Whether you are in the marine, construction, or manufacturing sector, our hydraulic tube swagging machines offer a reliable and efficient solution for your specific needs. What sets Hydrotechnic apart is our unwavering commitment to quality, ease of use, and adaptability. Our swagging machines are not only known for their precision, but also for their user-friendly interfaces, ensuring that operators can achieve optimal results with ease. Moreover, we recognize that every industry has unique requirements, and thus, our hydraulic tube swagging machines come with customizable configurations to cater to the specific needs of our clients. For those seeking automation in their processes, Hydrotechnic offers options for automatic control, further enhancing the efficiency and productivity of your operations. We believe in providing not just machines, but comprehensive solutions that streamline your workflow and contribute to the overall success of your endeavors. Our success is not solely rooted in the manufacturing of machinery, but in our ability to understand and address the unique challenges faced by different industries. Hydrotechnic is not just a supplier, we are a partner in your success, and our hydraulic tube swagging machines are a testament to our commitment to delivering tailored solutions that elevate your operational efficiency. Should you find yourself considering an investment in hydraulic tube swagging machines, we invite you to reach out to our dedicated technical consultants. Our team is equipped with the knowledge and expertise to guide you through the selection process, ensuring that you acquire the perfect solution for your specific requirements. For inquiries, please contact our technical consultant at +919717474831 or email us at sales@microhydrotechnic.co.in. We are eager to collaborate with industry experts and forward-thinking enterprises, providing the technological edge needed to excel in today's competitive landscape. In conclusion, Hydrotechnic PVT Ltd stands as a beacon of innovation, and our hydraulic tube swagging machines exemplify our commitment to excellence. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to the opportunity to contribute to the success of your endeavors.